In today's video, I'm gonna take you through one of my favorite leg exercises, the Romanian Deadlift, also known as RDLs. I will be going through how to do them and why you should include them in your next leg workout. What's good, YouTube? My name is StreetGrind, Twitch partner, fitness enthusiast, motivator. I've been working out for about 9 years, and I took my body from looking like this. My diet was completely crap. I had no idea what to eat, how much to eat, to looking like this, having a better understanding of what my body needs, the type of workouts I need to do in order for me to get the results that I want. Now, without further ado, let's get into it. Romanian deadlifts are meant to specifically target the hamstrings and the glutes. If you are trying to grow that peach and have those legs looking thick from the back of the side, you gotta have these in your workout regimen. They will absolutely change the game for you. Let's talk about the setup here. I like to set up the barbell on the rack instead of picking it up off the platform or the ground because it conserves energy. We're trying to be as efficient as possible. We wanna make sure that we're using our energy for the lift itself, not for the setup of the lift. I'm engaging the lats here, the muscle that travels from the mid to the lower back. You can actually see it engaged through my shirt actually. I also have my feet about shoulder width. Now before every rep, we're gonna make sure we take a deep breath. Breathe into your diaphragm. Embrace your core hard. We're going to push our hips back as much as we can without rounding out our back. And I do want to mention that this is absolutely key. The moment we round our back, now we have tension in our lower back, and we don't want that. If you have trouble with this, give this little exercise or cue a shot. I want you to stand a couple of feet away from the wall. And I want you to have a slight bend at your knees. And I want you to push back, almost like as if push your butt back as much as possible without rounding out your back. So your main goal here is to try to push your butt back so that it hits the wall. That is the type of movement that we are trying to accomplish here with an RDL. So if we actually go back and reference our video, I'm pushing my hips back as far as I can, and you can even see the hamstring contracting as well. If you want to increase the difficulty of this exercise, try to pause at the concentric part of the movement while still being braced. I guarantee you that it will challenge you. Make sure that you squeeze your glutes on the way back up, and hey yo, you just did your first Romanian deadlift. Here are some other angles so that you get a better idea of what this movement is supposed to look like. And that's gonna wrap it up for today's video, y'all. Now you have an idea of how to properly do a Romanian deadlift. And you know what the great thing about it is? You don't only have to do it with a barbell. You actually can do this same movement with either dumbbells or kettlebells. Thank you so much again for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like. And if you want to see more of this type of content, subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any type of notification when my newest video goes up. It's your boy StreetGrind here. Go get the gains, and I'll see you next time.